morning from a rainy RIAT day 2.
Hello.
We're just waking up, so today we are just getting up slowly. It's raining outside. We were really lucky with the weather yesterday, and we're going to be watching it from the motorhome, so we'll show you what it's like. Obviously we went in yesterday, so today we'll be experiencing it from our motorhome, where we've got everything we want or ever can need ish. But yeah, just to see what the views are like from the motorhome parking. So that is what today's all about.
Chilling out.
Anything you want to add?
No, nothing really.
Chilling out.
Chilling out.
Breakfast time soon?
Yeah, I'm thinking maybe have it a little bit later, but
Brunch.
Yeah, brunching time. Yeah.
So we're going to carry on slowly getting ready, and then maybe once we've woken up a bit and drunk our coffee, we will have a brunch stroke lunch. So we'll catch you later. Hopefully we'll get some planes flying over soon. Supposed to be flying in the next 50 minutes. It's still a bit drizzly, so see what happens. So bang on 10 o'clock, the rain has finally stopped. Sun is starting to come out, and we have a plane flying ahead. Where's it gone? It's one way to wake you up, isn't it? You can hear it. That is loud.
This is nice bacon. Nice bacon.
Why is it nice?
Well, it's better than that stuff you get in supermarkets.
So, as you can tell by the noise, the airshow has started. Breakfast is cooking. Time to get our chairs and make sure we get a good view. So, what is breakfast this morning? We are having avocado, bacon, tomatoes on toast, sourdough toast actually. So Matt is just making the breakfast, about to bring it in. Wine quickly. Just as one goes by, I forget to push record. Story of my life.
So, what have we done today? Well, not a lot. We got up and we've basically watched. Thank you.
Is it connected?
Yeah. So we've watched the air show from the campsite. So it's been really good here. So we're almost at the bottom of the runway. We've got a really good bird's eye view of, well, not a bird's eye view. We've got a really good view of the
Ground side view.
ground side view of the goings on. So yeah, it's really nice to be here. It's very chilled out. We've got our own toilet. We've got our own drinks and everything. There's Gemma.
I'm holding the microphone.
Holding the fork microphone. So yeah, so you've got your own toilets and everything here and in your van, and it's very chilled out. There's a lot of reports online saying that the traffic is really bad, and also the queues getting in to the actual air show is really bad. So quite happy over this side. So yeah,
Just chilling.
just chilling.
We are just chilling.
Watched the red arrows. The red arrows were really good this afternoon. I think they're actually a little bit better than they were yesterday, but I think that's something to do with the weather. The Lancaster's just taken off, and they're going to display with the Spitfire a little bit later on. So yeah.
I think that's pretty much it. It's a wrap. It's a wrap
Yeah.
from us.
So
That is a chicken wrap.
thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.
Catch you later.
Bye for now.
Bye. Don't forget to give us a thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe, and we will catch you on the next one.